and welcome to the Catalan Grand Prix! Wanna know what's happening in the Grand Prix so far? Let's start with qualifying sessions! First pole of the season for Alex Marquez in Barcelona! The Spaniard broke the lap record! What a lap ahead of Mark! This time pole is mine! What the? Nobody saw me coming with this chameleonic helmet! Now that we know who made the pole, it's about time to talk about the sprint race! And let's start with the replay of the start with our minis! This run is perfect for me! During the race, we saw so many crashes at the same time, but the most shocking one was Alex Marquez, who crashed only 4 laps before finishing the sprint race. Now or never, this time I'm going to stop Marquez. No damn, Marquez is ahead. Come on, more ahead, in front! Too much in front, I get the title to Mark, damn it! And victory for Mark at the sprint race! Let's see the replay of the finish line with our minis! And Ducati World Champion, next stop, my title! And that's all for today! Let's find out the weather for this Grand Prix with our mini!
No rain expected, so we have sun for another Marquez victory.
And what are your predictions for this race?
As I said, victory for Marquez, but I expect this time Alex. Second, his brother, and third, probably Fabio.
Thank you, Dark Mini! Follow our social networks for more MiniBikers! Goodbye and be mini good! And this video wouldn't be possible without the support